Welcome back to Spirit of a Handyman. Today we're gonna try to fix a leaky sink, and I'm gonna show you how easy it is. So easy that a 5-year-old can do it. Isaiah, how old are you?
5.
Do you think we can do this thing?
I don't know.
Bold assertion. Okay, Isaiah, I need you to reach under the sink and turn off the water. Open the doors.
I don't wanna.
Now reach in there and turn off the water. Did you get it?
This way?
Yep. Okay, the next thing is we're going to put this Allen wrench into these little access holes. This will loosen up the handle so that we can pull the handle off, okay? I'll do this one and you do the next one.
Are you gonna take that handle off?
Mm-hmm.
Are we gonna see water?
Yeah,
I don't want to.
just a little bit.
Like, you mean just tiny drips?
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
Ooh.
Is it coming off?
Alright, so we got that one off.
Yeah.
Now you do this one.
Okay.
Okay?
And do it, Dada. Dad, can I do it now?
Yeah, pull up on that. Yep.
Ooh,
Oh,
that kind of hurt.
I'm sorry. Here.
You do that.
Here. It won't do it again.
Okay. You do
Yep. Good job. Do it again. All the way up. We're going to do it one more time.
it. Then will it come off?
Go ahead. One more time.
Okay.
All the way up. Ta-da!
Wow.
Alright, so next we're just going to twist this thing. Okay? Can you do that today? Grab hold of it and spin it. You do it. See if you can use your hand now. I think you got it loose.
Do we have to get it all the way off?
Yep, just pull it up. Excellent. Look at all that green stuff on there. Next, we just need to grab this and pull it on up. Just like this, okay?
Okay.
Wiggle it and pull it up.
Oh my.
Uh-oh. There's still some water in there.
Daddy, is water gonna explode?
No, I think I just forgot to relieve the pressure before I pulled this up. Alright, you try to wiggle it up now.
Will it make more water?
Actually, I think you can just grab it with your hand. Go ahead.
Up?
Yep, pull it on up. Nice!
Hey, there's not very many water.
Nope.
Is water gonna explode out of it?
No way, Jose. Alright, so see how there's just like a little bit of stuff built up on there? We're going to put some of our lime and rust remover on there and see if we can clean it up. We'll just clean some of this stuff up.
I don't want to.
Look at that. Looking a lot cleaner. Still just a little bit of dirties in there. So we're just going to clean up some of the debris down here. There's just some like little rust particles and such. It turns out that those rust particles and the calcium combined had scraped along the seal that sat at the bottom of the fixture and worn these little grooves into this seal. It wasn't a lot, but it was just enough for a small leak to start to develop and push its way through those grooves and leak out the top of the sink. So I bought some replacement seals and springs and stuck those in, and it was as good as new. I'm just going to put this thing back in. There you go.
Like, you mean,
Yep, put it back in the hole.
like that?
Mm-hmm.
Can I twist it on there?
Just like that, how it was.
Whoa. Can I show how
You want to put this thing on?
Okay. Like that?
Mm-hmm. Now spin it.
This way?
Use your hand first like this.
What
use the pliers. Grab it now that it's up on there.
No, I want you.
Oh, tricky. Just need to give it one little turn here. There we go. Sticking the handle back on, push it down on there. Wiggle it.
And are we gonna use the black thing?
Mm-hmm. Put it in that hole.
Can you make it so it doesn't make a huge sound and then hurts me?
There you go. Now push down. I think that did it.
I set it down.
Looks like we got rid of the drips. So there you go. That's how to fix a sink even if you're only 5 years old. We can stop a leaky sink. It's super easy. So comment down below if you had success after watching this video. I'd love to hear your success story. Subscribe for more videos from Spirit of a Handyman, and we'll see you next time. All right. He's got the
Spirit of the handyman.
handyman.